What's up everybody, Jason Page here. Welcome back to another video. In this light painting tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create RGB using the collapsible light swords from light painting brushes. I'll be using the red collapsible, the green collapsible, and the blue collapsible, along with my beautiful model, Candace here. I don't know if you can see her. Candace there will be holding a pose, and I will be using the collapsible light swords behind her, creating this RGB kind of pattern of light behind her that I think looks super cool, and I think you guys are going to love it. One other thing I'll be using is a flash with a blue gel on it, just to separate her a little bit more from the background. The settings that I'm using are ISO 100, f8, shooting on bulb mode. The exposure time for this will be about a minute. Using the Soonfire MX66 flashlight with the universal connector. As you will see, I'm going to use one flashlight and one universal connector and quickly and easily change out these light swords during this same exposure. There's no screwing and unscrewing, they just pop in, pop out real easy, and you've got a nice solid color to work with, RGB, to create this cool silhouette effect. There she is, the lovely Candace posing for us. Here we go. All right. Relax. So that's another super easy one to show you how to create that RGB effect using 3 different swords from light painting brushes. Again, using the red, green, and blue swords, universal connector, and a Soonfire MX66 flashlight to quickly and easily change those out during the same exposure. If you're not familiar with how to make that perfect looking circle, I'll link a tutorial. It's really not perfect. The trick is that I'm using Candace, my beautiful model, to hide the beginning and end of the circle. It's nearly impossible to make that perfect circle, but if you use a model and hide the beginning and end, you can give the illusion that it's that real nice perfect circle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give me the thumbs up down below. Any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section. I'll answer anything that I can. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Hit the subscribe button down below. And until the next video, get out there and get creative.